If a billion-dollar ex-hedge fund trader gave you access to his secret AI-powered trading software and let you keep 100% of the profits, would you take a few minutes to learn how? What's on offer? We'll show you how to create cash flow and build wealth using the largest financial market in the world. No prior knowledge or experience is needed to get started and earn profit. There's an extensive support system to guide you all the way. You can be up and running quickly and earning profits while you work, rest, and play. So what is Forex trading? It's simply the exchanging one country's currency for others. It's a $5.3 trillion per day market operating 24 hours a day, 5 days per week. So how can you earn from Forex? Well, you can learn how to trade yourself, or receive signals from someone to follow and mirror their trades, perhaps have someone else trade for you, or use our software that uses artificial intelligence to trade for you. Meet the creator of the software, David Meyer, also known as Quicksilver. He is recognized as one of the highest IQs in the world. He explored numerous theories and completed extensive testing. He traded billions at one of the largest hedge funds on Wall Street and has created one of the world's first artificial intelligence-powered trading softwares. Let me introduce you to Hamilton, one of our softwares. It's designed to do a high volume of trades per day, trading with the smallest lot size per trade to reduce your risk. It trades with a very small percentage of your capital to further reduce your risk of loss, and has a unique hedging function to help recover any losing trades. Hamilton creates cash flow for you. It is best suited to trade around $500 in your own personal broker account. After 4 months of live testing with Hamilton, trading around $500, it was shown to generate between $400 and $700 profit each month. Hamilton is the perfect employee, making you more than it costs. You can pull out your profits or use your profits to set up more Hamiltons. Let me introduce you to Benjamin, which uses artificial intelligence, or AI, to analyze the news and the markets. The more the AI works, the smarter it becomes and the better the results. It places very specific trades for maximum profit and least risk. It generates around 10 to 30% monthly returns over the last 7 months and is created to compound your profits and build you wealth. People ask, does the software work? Well, every day, thousands of people all around the world are making profits, and they post their results, their real results, in our Facebook group for you to view. Typically, day 1, setting up Hamilton, you can be earning profits. Below is some examples. People ask, does Benjamin work? Benjamin performs best with at least $2,500 or more invested in your broker account. This page shows some typical results that have been achieved with Benjamin. So, is the software easy to set up? Yes. You simply buy Hamilton or Benjamin or both, and then buy a virtual private server to host your software, called a VPS. You then set up your own personal broker account and fund it. You're in complete control of your funds at all time. You install the software on the VPS and then start earning. So how much does it cost to get started? Month 1, $199, then a recurring fee of $145 per month to license the software. Additional licenses can be purchased for $70 per month. Of course, you can take advantage of our 3 and it's free. Simply refer 3 personal customers and remove your recurring monthly fees. You're helping 3 other people create cash flow and build wealth. Maybe you want to share it with more than 3 people and take advantage of our lucrative rewards plan. It's perfect for those who see the big market potential for the software. It allows you to create weekly and monthly residual income, part-time, full-time, or even create a life-changing income. Of course, all that's totally optional. You may choose to just use the software and never recommend it to anybody. Let us show you a plan of how you can create cash flow with an initial outlay of less than $750 US. Step 1 is to buy the Hamilton software, then fund your broker account with $500. Take your profits from Hamilton at the end of month 1 and set up another Hamilton. Repeat this process until you have multiple Hamiltons earning you your monthly cash flow target. You can also create a wealth building fund with your Hamilton profits. Simply use those profits and set up a Benjamin. Let the profits from Benjamin compound and build you wealth. All this is achievable from the profits earned from your trading software. Get started today and put Hamilton and Benjamin to work for you.